Welcome back to my channel. I am here with the new interesting video. In this video I am going to tell you secret foods behind Korean people beauty. Keep watching this video till end. So, let's start our today's video. Everything you eat becomes a part of not only your inner being, but the outer fabric of your body as well. The healthier the foods are that you consume, the better your skin will look. Long before their fancy bubble foaming cleansers and animal print sheet masks, Korean women relied on antioxidant-rich dishes to keep their skin in tip-top shape. So what traditional dishes do Koreans consume for their enviably plump skin? Here are the top 4 foods that I will share with you. Number 1. Kimchi. It's pungent, it's pickled and it'll do wonders for your skin. Kimchi is a spicy fermented cabbage beloved by Koreans. Kimchi contains tons of selenium and antioxidants that help to fight the aging process and promote an even complexion. Eaten with virtually every meal, this delicious cabbage adds a bit of flavor to any bland dish, so if you're an amateur, try it with some eggs and avocado. But beware, with this much garlic and chili, kimchi is not date night food. Number 2. Seaweed soup, myeokguk. Seaweed soup is a regular staple in Korean breakfasts and is also consumed on birthdays to pay homage. It consists of vital nutrients. That's right, instead of gorging on calorific, sugar-tastic cake on birthdays, Koreans are feasting on humble, low-fat seaweed soup so that even as they celebrate getting older, their skin looks like it hasn't aged a day. Why is it so good? Seaweed offers ample sulfates that have a soothing effect on your complexion. Number 3. Soybean soup, jjigae. That's right, more soup. And you thought Korean cuisine was all about fried chicken and barbecue. Soup is the true soul of Korean meals and is eaten every single day. Soybean soup is a national favorite as it's frugal and healthy, with the soybean paste being rich in vitamin E and antioxidants, helping to protect skin from any pesky UV damage. Number 4. Barley tea, boricha. In winter, it's served cold, and in summer, it's refrigerated in large bottles. Barley tea has a lovely deep taste and is drunk in copious amounts by Korean women. It is known to enhance your circulation, which is essential to keeping skin firm and cells regenerating. So why not swap out the occasional coffee for a barley tea? Your skin will surely thank you for it. Comment down below which one is your favorite food.